Hello everybody, Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. I don't have to say much, but I just wanted to say one thing for Yash Sharma, that he is a great person, not because what I'm going to talk to you about later, that he's supporting Sahayata, that me, Manu, and some of other volunteers, Deepak and Harjeet Paji, helping us to raise the awareness in Western Canada that the Sahayata organization does something for little kids, for abandoned kids, left out, and any parents, the people who cannot afford to live their life back in India. So I'm here. Yash Sharma supported us so much since we've been in contact last year. I didn't know him. I contacted before knowing him a few other media people, but nobody came forward. The day we had an event here at the same place where we are at today, he came and he showed me, Rajni, this is what I did for Sahayata, even though I didn't know you, I didn't know Sahayata. So, but I published your advertisement, I did advertise your Sahayata that you are presenting here today. It was last year. Sorry, I'm a bit shy to speak, I'm running out of words. So I'm just saying he's a great person. I think people who help others, we all should come forward to help them too, so that they can mingle with our community. I'm pretty sure he will be there where he's needed by every one of us. So another thing, we are organizing the same event for Sahayata next weekend on January 23rd, Saturday. So we request you all to come forward and join us on that night. It's not only for dance or anything, for fun, entertainment, but every penny, any money we count, it's gonna go to Sahayata, who would help others with their education, with their health. That's all I need to say. And thank you for having us here today.
First of all, I thank you so much for everyone for coming here and supporting Mr. Yash Sharma. I have known Yashji from last 3 years, and it happened at Pin Punjab. We were sitting and there was Aam Aadmi Party get together, and the way he was speaking, I approached him and I said, Yashji, I want to work with you. So from that day, when I approached him, we never looked back. We did numerous TV programs about domestic violence, emotional abuse, gender bias in our society. So I have done a lot of work with Yashji, and he's always been there to support through thick and thin. And the topics or the discussions that other people do not want to bring forward, Yashji had the guts and to bring it forward, and he helped through, I think, all those programs. He helped a lot. And he helped with Sahayata Sanstha, the Sahayata organization. We are having a fundraising event on 23rd of January. What is Sahayata Sanstha is that Harkesh Sandhu is the founder of that organization, and what he does is he collects money from all over the world and it goes to India, and with that money they provide education, health, lodging, all the expenses to the girls who are thrown away from their own parents. For some reason they cannot take care of the kids, especially the girl children. He gets them from all over India and take them to a house that can call their house. So I think that's a noble cause, and we all have kids, and we know that we try to provide every single thing to our kids, but those are the kids who equally deserves a chance to live. And I'm so proud that me, Raji, and numerous other people, Jagdish, Paul, Yashji, Deepak. We have so many lovely people that they come forward and they help us out. They give money, they volunteer, they do whatever it takes for those kids. And Sahayata Sanstha, they already opened one old age home as well for the people who for some reason they do not live with their families, or if they don't have any family to take care of them. So this is that organization that we're helping, and that program is in Capilano Conference Center on 23rd of January. Please, we humbly request each and every one of you that please join us. It's a noble cause. Let's make a difference in our society. Maybe just sometimes, money is not necessary to make something happen. Your sheer presence in that environment is such a great thing to do. So please do whatever you can. Less, more does not really matter. What matters is like we are all together as a community. And thank you, Yashji, for organizing such an amazing event. And I think we are here for a reason, and the reason is Mr. Yash. And I cannot say anything more than about Yash, because he's already always been there for us, and I think for the same reason we are here for him as well. So thank you so much. Enjoy your night, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to talk and share our passion and the event that will be on 23rd. Thank you so much. Thank you.